Pina Yameba fan so be Jesus for every inquisition say the king was a professor or God told Abraham in Genesis chapter 15 say definitely your descendants will become slaves in a foreign land. After 400 years I will deliver them from that area. Now when some himself prophecy because the devil study a lot. When himself prophecy say brother Moses no na bon some ni say man na ya wo no wo mu baako into di kan ono kura di kan e the public control Pharaoh tirim say ya wo ba ma ye ni say kuno ana bon some say da bi Moses he said you tie an show betima ba be ni petitiri yes into di kan ma akwa no koye mebra ama Moses din say into nyame suma Moses no kudu ma di say bidun betima business agent na wo nyame asuma udini we na wo udini wo nyame be nyame na ye ne na no otiri mfom so onpe boni say how can God send a sinful man waka mu je agupen that is why Jesus di be na binum nyini ni efi say na wo kra no Matthew chapter 1 verse 18 to end now wo kra there is a circulation around his birth say one way the other ebetim kra ba say ni ma me kra no ko gba ajaman and bon some the start talking to ni peti Matthew chapter 28 so 27 na bro nyani fire wufu mu no na oh sir Bible say John say yes emperor seal the governor seal pillar you seal and you dey call Saul yesu nedan meaning sir in the ancient days say we so jeni ni ya di obi sha wonsa na nipa na dey na sha wonsa session so no o ma ni dwane a yes yeku asana man etu mo ya dey ma ko say mo share the body of Jesus Christ yes mo person ba ka tell you say obi wenyane na mo wen mo kura pia se kan dan ma san fan ada mo ya nkwada mo sa ye nan ono so kra ya so no ho sa da nya den on ko training figure ya training mo it how can say mo ba ka tell you say bibi say it the o mo ya ni say wo mo na so fun telephone sia na say die sie ni say ya wo ho a na wu say asase bi wo so ni ade na han bi to ho na branch ni wenyane ti say the kind of to share mo kwa kasa asem na yebekumo nti mo hye dan kasa no mada ene sia fo na ba be wia o to ama bi sa asem wi atwa so di besime nti ama bebre nje the person no more tell us before the Messiah comes the devil will first of all come before the Messiah and some young Isaac ni Ishmael baby kan and some Jacob bomla ni Esau baba and some panfo from the baba all right nti ansana and sa papa beba wa John chapter 2 na was saying some body di kan it definitely dey be abon somebody anyama bi a ema wonye genuine thing eni edikai that is why yes you see Gifobia ni nyam ono ani krom adentra no krom ni no yes one of it yes it is an prophetic man for the ban so they won't believe sir na me betime you see the past life no it is the American question say there are some things in the scriptures nipa bebre nya munti afientam enti asa ye nya ya ne ya atro therefore anytime you dey no krom be ba no you have been addicted
with the false teaching
to the false into na na one person be tree me edi na so nya wa into no this is what I'm about to do so ba kaya Saturday na radio adom conference on their mind
okay
now enra me no sama you din come up for the highlights of the conference
all right
ama sama be say some questions be about some vital points there you deep into it during the conference. Now you be who say the 7 feasts of Israel no say see and you with the feast of Pentecost the feast of Pentecost is something the feast of weeks
okay
so the guys also Leviticus chapter 23 verse 4 to 44 so when you have the kind ni na obama all the feasts it's you know the feast of Pentecost no a feast it has been fulfilled by Jesus Christ. That is Acts chapter 2 Pentecost afasa a 50 days festival and yes a festival no to 50 days say Israel for afasa makuma so when we can ni na and you know a move back here find the feast of Pentecost na south feast of Pentecost no a afasa Leviticus chapter 23 be church ni na a afasa bi as yes sir so I can treat rapture ye pa can you understand what I'm about to say
okay
the medical guy says rapture and I'm say you want many theory concerning rapture and men person met me today so I can wear I just want to study it well before say me can want na can want them and to be say Jew for wɔn mu dɔ efu a yɛwɔ abakan kyerɛ sɛ aduane kan aduane a ebedi kan tutu wɔ efu no yɛdi kan akotwa nti sɛ aduane yɛfɛ no first fruit nti wobɛhu sɛ the feast of Israel no after first fruit no deɛ ɛba yɛ Pentecost now mɛka kyerɛ sɛ yɛwɔ afɔhyɛ deɛ yɛfɛ no unleavened bread saa unleavened bread no a Yesu ba fulfilling yɛ that is the sinless and exalted life of Christ no another feast no yɛfɛ no Pentecost no ɛyɛ feast a yɛdi no after first fruit now first fruit yɛ afɔhyɛ a ɛni yɛ kotwa nnɔbaeɛ bi a saa nnɔbaeɛ no emu baako yɛfɛ no barley 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 no yɛ aduane na menka no saa sɛ dɛ bɛyɛ ɔbɛsi aseɛ now ɛte sɛ Ghana ha biribi te sɛ esam aha biribi sɛ memfa no saa mepɛ sɛ mesɛ sɛ barley no yɛkotwa a yɛyam de fa process no mu yɛnya esam afiri na saa esam no yɛde bɛto paano during the feast of Pentecost na paano no a yɛto no meka kyerɛ sɛ sɔfopanyin no a ɔto saa paano no anaa nnipa ɔto saa paano no ɔde yeast anaa mmɔka fra now Bible mu nso meka kyerɛ sɛ Matthew chapter 16 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 7 ɛne Galatians nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ mmɔka gyina ɔma atorɔ nkyerɛkyerɛ anaa nipa ka ne abraba a ɛnyɛ anaasɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ bɔne anaa suban bɔne enti no the feast of Pentecost no sei no yɛ celebrate no during the feast of Pentecost no ɔsɔfopanyin no de paano na yɛde mmɔka a mmɔka no gyina ɔma atorɔ nkyerɛkyerɛ ne bɔne yɛde fra na yɛato saa paano na paano na yɛ mmienu no nyinaa mmɔka no fra na sɔfopanyin no afa saa paano no mmienu no na wakɔ gyina Awurade Nyankopɔn anim that is apamadak n'anim and he will wave it obey him him or him or the kyerɛ Awurade ɛwɔ ne ase kyerɛ ne firi nkɔmidi because of Revelation chapter 2 and 3 now saa bread no na meka kyerɛ sɛ baako represent the people of Israel that is the natural seed of Abraham ɛna baako represent the Gentile that is the Gentile Christianity it is said the feast of Pentecost ni nyame pɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ Israel for no say during that feast both the church and Israel there will be mixture of sin mixture of false doctrine mixture of bad character eti meka kyerɛ sɛ nipa bi ɔka sɛ ai menkɔ asɔre bio ɛna Kristofo kɔ edi bɔne no the person is not a student of the Bible asɔfo preach tia bɔne te sɛ deɛ asɛ bɔne abɛyɛ ade bi abɛyɛ common ada they don't understand what they are saying. I told you yesterday if you say a close study of the Bible will tell you say Christianity is a mixture of righteous people and evil people. Ghana your problem is say the nyame can you don't believe yes no ni nyame ni to me catch you say I dey we chase ba wo so e ba na wo ji wo ejini why are you doubting
muni nyina mo mu nyina so nti ase
Tana me catch you say okay yes ma several examples in the Bible emu bi ni say papa bi go say okogu asew no oyi nampa ne nambone sa asew ni gyina ma wi ase efu ni gyina ma wi ase asew ni gyina ma nyame asem kesama ni gyina ma evangelist na asofo nti say na tena ye digu pumu na tena ye nyame asem na ye digu pumu na efu ni gyina ma wi ase no nyame asem chini papa ni nipa bone
fish ni gyina ma
nipa eti atwo mo ba o se papa ni twe ye na Matthew 13 o de ba akoko so and o selecting there will be a selection selection and nipa na ye there is no program amu betima ye nkumase ha ba ma Kristofo nyina gya boni die and a program bien amu betima so fi bien betima preach ma Kristosuma ya 100% Kristosuma 50-50 you are righteous people and you are evil people and you can never do anything about it.
It's a process.
So it is up to you. One na we tell me one na bo abrabo yi.
Yes.
One na wo bo abrabo yi.
Okay.
Because the prophecy of God adia nyame akekasebam. And Bible said the nyame achia no Ecclesiastes ntumi ntene no. It means say nyame ya adia bi believer you man mota kana you cannot do anything about it.
All right.
The feast of Pentecost, the person is saying, I am mixture of good and
bad people.
All
right.
Now, and then I want the New Testament more. Pentecostal feast, you know, nobody beginning Christian Acts chapter 2.
Okay.
Oh, now Paul Peter preaching Acts chapter 2. No, Nipa Satire 3,000. Your first convert. Your first crusade.
Yeah.
Nipa 3,000 Satire. Now the Church of Jerusalem only pay 20,000.
Seriously.
Thousands of people. Apostle James and the of a penny. Now,
now,
So see, I'm not catching. And I'm a catch of your church age.
Yeah, right.
Your church age, your Pentecostal age.
All right.
Your Pentecost feast.
Okay.
Now, South feast, just a day.
Day.
When we do it just a day. And see, about from AD 34, AD 35, every basic 2018, I'm in our country. You are a church age, Christosum. Church age means the church will be
established more.
Existing in the world.
Okay.
18 and churches are hold your APM. Wait here, sorry. No, we have to fireball. No, we have to wait. Maybe so was some. Also, what cassette here? A be a strong church in Chumda. What cassette here say do for say in Chum?
More than a mobile.
What cassette here bonnet say in Chum? Because yes, I'm smile say young cockers in Chabon, or young cocker no one.
Wow.
Young cocker has some said the boyeni. Says the boyeni Jimmy Dia, Bonino to me, I know no Bama who are damn with Jai. Now, your cafe. Gideon sir. Obi akabiri bi akyerɛ ne nya mamu na woji atum. That is faith.
Yes, why jet?
Woji atum. Ti woji tum na wonya abokyerɛ twɛn na ade ne bamu a. Like us we need that one abam. It is a me yasini ni a. Nyame meji nyame di a. Ye preach Yesu kyerɛ sɛ ji Yesu di.
Yes.
Na Obama we die bɔne. Ɔdɔ bɔne bɛkyɛw.
Yeah.
Ɔdɔ bɔne bɛkyɛw ne kyerɛ sɛ meji ni di a me wɔ dan kwa. Nti meji Yesu di a ɛntrɛ sɛ me May
perfect that moment no.
Nti afei na gidi asɛm na me gidi sɛ Yesu mu na mɛba bɛ tini ni yɛde me bɛfa Kristo nkyerɛkyerɛm. Ama yɛ me gidi sɛ me gidi dia mɛtuma bɛyɛ hutini na abɛbam. Na sɛ yɛ be process me.
All right.
Adi mi suban na process no until sɛ saa suban bɔ ne bɛkɔ. Ebi you may not understand because you know him say. Oh, sir, Apamadaka, Ntomadan na Moses here. No, three areas.
Yeah, in Chimbe.
Moses, Solomon saw down from your chimney. There were utter court, holy place, holy of holy. You need to be a fan of here. There were utter court, holy place, holy of holy. You can't utter court at Ediho. You can't holy place at Kunkumbia. Holy of holy is a Kunkumbia. You need to be a young man. Asafo bi kyerɛ sɛ yɛni pɛgya yɛ mienu body and soul yɛboa yɛni pɛgya yɛ miɛnsa according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 now yɛni pɛgya na yɛ miɛnsa no yɛwɔ body soul spirit now body soul spirit no hyɛ no nso sɛ yɛka soul a ade ama soul no a consist of nneɛma miɛnsa your will emotion
93.7
intellect in your certain your mind. Until Nyankopon control your spirit. Your spirit is made up of three things: communion, intuition. Now, communion, intuition, conscience. Yeah, communion, intuition, conscience. And then your spirit. And your body means your five senses. And then they are scientifically proven. Now, sir, Nyame control your spirit.
Yes.
And I hear you pay your control your body. When you control the outer court. At other one of taking decision. Again, you be the one of taking decision. And so the bigger one of taking decision. It's not the outer court. It's humanity will control the outer part of our body, of our being. But you control your spirit. It's also a agent and our spirit, and I just see it instantly.
All right.
But the devil tries to control our soul. The soul literally to bind. Satan, wabema in your media by addicted to the soul. Today, they are not person control soul. Soul yourself and the mind. You know, some people can Romans chapter 12 say renewing the mind.
Okay.
Oh, renewing the mind. Into bonsa person control soul. Into there be a work for so for kasache wana nyame asem no. Now spirit na agye no. No or the church soul no. Soul no be why yes abofra ye training no. Oh, you have to for processing.
Okay.
Processing.
Okay.
It is a see no kind Ephesians chapter 5:22. Obeka church Nyankopon say asafo no. Eye ne yere. Na opesa asafo no ye brother asafo ko pem say edam ene nkekaye eni zeyi be free. Now it means to say yes you want say na asafo no.
Yes.
Boni wom, no mom or the fivefold ministers Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11. Or the fivefold ministers in air build asafo na ba be perfect. Now in perfection area, it says here, you are perfecting Christopher. Okay. Dear, only a mini young coffee, they are making us an intimacy with God. And the upon the life into me perfect. Those are the people, they will be neglected during the Feast of Trumpets.
All right.
And then the church says, a Feast of Trumpets. I don't know if you have changed. That is rapture. Rapture, so you have 3 types of rapture. Meaning, rapture series, and you have 5 types.
Okay.
Now, so biblically, meaning, rapture appear 3 times.
Serious.
How many Christians you must study the scripture to prove it? Say, Bible na da hono, Bible say Yes, na esiafo no bi san say na adno kasa che omumebu no so mo de wadi amam to mu oso ahie ni mu. It means to say the mysteries of the kingdom has been given to the church. Therefore it is the responsibility of a Christian say ono akasa ba ya research no hu no kra anya sa de bia be foolish. Now I am coming straight sir. I didn't say the brain class review. The Jayasara, because Bonnie will piece of Sumudo. What Bible in a wish and Kawai Bible said the feast of Pentecost. Pan only meaning and the use to fry.
The Bonifra.
That is why it is very necessary to study the chapters of Revelation 2 and 3. Okay. Because Revelation chapter 2 and 3, I mean the show are selling this man.
All right.
The character of the church.
Boss FM.
After the years in the national for secretary.
Okay.
We will call we or Kosovo. And I said the air captain there be Adi Bonino and was it. Therefore, my men cast them in training for no country John. Not John Trump come out of
all right.
Revelation chapter 2. I do Revelation chapter 3. Yeah, the come. Now, I say, Subaya says, Christus, you are done with it. No, I'm already who said, history always repeats itself. Yeah, can history always repeat itself? Abakosem si no ho so. And in si no. So, the DSC no. Everybody has to see. Yeah. Oh, even though so about conference in the ought to turn even though in the plain interpretation of the scripture Revelation chapter 2 a comma as of no your bubo will be one Ephesus mine and Sardis Pergamum Philadelphia and Laodicea Thyatira part of a whole done so warm up your physical church and your spiritual physical church warm as not from the picture. Okay. Paul kind of question Timothy Koya software. Apostle John, yeah, wouldn't say yes, ma'am, Mary. Yeah. Apostle John, the new Koya and it is even believed in church. So, so, Revelation chapter 2, and chapter 3, a train to buy a sorry room. It's may try as much as possible. May try as much as possible, said. Revelation chapter 2 and 3. Oh, Kabiwi. You baby, in the young chapter 2, the young Cindy. You cry, and you're doing not my young qua. Let's speak. Next Sunday. Yes, you have a trust. Okay. And then the fair cameraman or catch them at least by the end of this week, they're not using my ready. In case it's a conference, no person will take the Yakicotia here with their life and color. Your video. So, person who train here, Mr. The point my number is 0557 163508. Oh, what's happening to me here in the media. Now, we are not born, I'm not from, and I'm a baby from natural. I bought my yesterday. I didn't know what to see. Okay. There are also the BJ, the old woman, either side John Quantum, and I bought them, and I Bremai. All right. Hannah Kakodi. It's a Revelation chapter 20. Says, you do so near. You were Pentecostal feast. You were church age. Church age, yeah. It's church age, you know. You are Basha as of Nusuban. No, okay. Revelation chapter 2. Shall you say? Ephesus woman. No, okay. Ephesus as of Umbo for the church. Come on, sir. Say, I do crowns from Ansu in Newton. I see. You are not the Kakan, the answer in Tennessee. Minimum Yuma. No, brother. No, Boato. And so, we can crowd 1 hour a bonnet for now. Also, 1 hour so I asked my for no one young washing. The way who wants that atrophy. Now, I bought it on a begin to a house. Now, 1 minute. Now, so no one who asked him the any which our can done. Okay. And the Kade Fish as you're not such a wagon. Now, you can mean man. And yes, I'm about some you can get a finish. You're just such a wagon. Now, see, you know, so what time Nicolai for you mentioned the town. You're watching into the home of the catcher for 12. You didn't remember and could be a senior Cooper Paradise in Mabani. Not just episode, the church of Ephesus. Fast you find the apostolic church. Okay. I am sorry, as not for no one. I won't begin to someone in the beginning. No one beginning as of no one more done, one more boss, no one who can come and I was so. Okay. The June Pempens will be a down with the Sassian, not a film. Now, Sir Ukra, Greek Bible, now, but who said the word love, and Greek means agape. Agape. Young name said agape in it talks about godly kind of love. All right. But we should Greek interpretation of that culture say brotherly love. Okay. Instead of saying also you see filial for brotherly love when you see filial, but you see agape. Yet ọbọdọ ọtọ sọ yẹ brotherly love it means sẹ ọbẹ kai Acts chapter 2 bana ṣàmà ọbẹ wọ sẹ Acts na asomafo no bẹ ewurade na mẹtu na wɔn dɔ wɔn ho obi kura wɔ n'agya apadi ɔkɔtɔn na ɔde aba ne yɛ nyina yakyɛ but asɔfo no dun pɛmpɛnso bi a na saa deɛ na ɛyɛ de efiri ɛna Yesu asoma sɛ yɛ mɛka nkyerɛ wɔn sɛ saa wɔn ka ne da wɔn dɔɔ no nyame ɛne wɔn ho no efiri nti wɔn nsa nhyehyɛ saa deɛ ne ba ɛno na wɔde ba yɛ pɛn so a ɛɛkɔ so ɛnsɔre dodoɔ fɛn na wɔn tumi ba afɔdeɛ sɛ wɔn a wɔn kyerɛ wɔn yɛn fa mmoa wɔn
kɔsumpo bi
ɛnɛ no yɛfrɛ bibi dogma wosia dogmatic theology a ɛnum ne yɛbɛnya nisan deɛ bɛn no wobɛwo sɛ ɛnɛ dogma kyerɛ nipasɛm yɛde nipasɛm ne nneɛma bi awurawura asɔre mu ama ɛnɛ no obi ntua ntutuso dudu koraa no a owu a yɛnsie no obi nyɛ wɔ yɛ ɔyɛ yi kɔ yɛnsie no nti kristosom a nhyɛ aseɛ saa nti asɛm a meekɛn wewa wonim sɛ yɛbere so ɛɛkɔ so ɛyɛ church age ɛnɛ to whom you know mímí ní sike yà sọfà mi wọ́n mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi já yẹ wọ́n máa mẹ́hwehwẹ́ mi. báyìí nípa náà mi sọ ọ̀nà kó asọ́rọ̀ owó sika náà ọ̀nà ní jẹ́ asọ́ ni asọ́fún ní kò bú ní sún kòtòdé ọmọdé adé ntìlá àfọ̀jọ́ tí mi bọ́ 20 million. ní o sọ yẹ ẹ̀bọ́ kúrò mi mọ́ bi. wọ́n wú tiẹ̀ ní wúdi adáǹtì ẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ náà ọmọ àánú wù yẹyẹ báyìí. adé yà wọ́n mú sí wú ntuya Jews na ṣe sọ bí a Christian. ẹ̀yẹ́ nù please asọ́fún pẹ̀lú fọmọ́ nfankyẹ́m it is not like say may blackmail Christianity, but rather I am just explaining what the Bible is saying.
Yes.
The person you have church age nothing.
Yes.
Now, one thing I want you to know is that if you are suffering, we make our candidates. So, and then we are suffering. And then we are suffering.
Yeah.
Yes, Uncle, someone media. Also, I say, "Croquet, I say, maybe consummation soon be for me now. Kisika Canadian soon be. It means it's consummation son of Revelation one back church a pastor. And a Kisika Canadian soon the church. It means it's the apostles of India. Yes, me. Who? And that's why the Christopher Doyle who enters Abio. And they are Doyle. And as I'm a couple, but now from Supria. And I see the son who did deep for them. I don't know deep for so that now. From a native, so do some pequeñatem. Apostle so by no teacher attempt. Teacher and so by no the apostle attempt. Bush of a ball, no system, no more young quadra. Men and water. To get your problem. And you can say, sir, that church doesn't belong to Christ. Yes. But men folks who are one of whom used to see uncertain nothing.
One kind of candidate.
It doesn't mean that the church is totally spoiled.
Okay.
Because Revelation 3 are making or train your mapedi as a phone.
Yes.
So we can do more. Wama now so from so one who or say when you are some of the war who are angry it means life.
Yes.
The person more says that you put down in
okay.
It is our sorry I will come. So we need to kind of learn from who they were and say a song I say. And say, no one from son harbor baby. And then I want to almost say for the home.
Alright.
It is stop protesting say and I said be outside. And then I catch us a young quad them. Oh yeah, no bass mina.
Mina Safon.
They found the persecuted church.
Okay, tire fight.
Sa as of way, yes, you are mono. Never yes, you catch them and say, also as I said, this can.
All right.
Smile as a football for the come and say, Sana or Kenny for me or Chidi for. You woo ya, not as you be honest here. We couldn't get you the word you woo ya, not as you be honest here. That's why the persecutor check. I saw that you kunku. Yes, you say woman cries and make cry you kuma.
Okay.
Na mi woo ya, na mi sorry. Na mi tiase da, it is a musi yo kumwa. Ewa mimi di mwa. Don't lose faith.
Okay.
All
right.
So he was encouraging them because Obi Anama Payemuno, you need nothing.
Yes, sending Quran.
The sending Quran. It is that church you always say yes to Anquandamono.
Okay.
Now yes to Bonabafo. And I can send also sending Comaka say you are mania who do 10 days a woman from. And I need to do what Dimukura do womb. Na mama Unquabotry. And you know, at Rasa. Yeah, brace. It's half as soon as you can. Church history, yes. Oko place so Gobo George Fox of George Fox books of Matthias. Oh, the PC said the Bible room.
Yeah. On a coaching.
Yeah. I'm mama say me can say microphone for laptop from Lani install again in my room. So one more woman for laptop, one more the pen drive, and yes, I'm your can. Now, yes, laptop. Never read me out. Smile now, Safuno.
Yeah.
Oh, so yes, the catcher say, oh, when I do the good,
Yes, they do.
Number book number 10 days. 10 days in your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days in your 10 Roman emperors.
Okay.
Ah, church history says, one of the Christians move for Otayin.
All right.
Emperor Nero can or can with the anchor 11 days. I don't know side in chat. I didn't see it. After Emperor Nero, the emperors near Bayern. Well, what we are Makuma could tell when we could choose for 300 years. With the community. The two deposits you can hear the Christopher Boss near the Jack. Atum na adeɛ sa bright kwam ne gya bi magata ɛnim na gladiators ni na ɛsɔre yɛ no enti ne saa ɛnɛma na ɛkɔso na Christopher wu ye kumbi na ni Yesu sɛ wɔ mu nkora sɛ na ada mi ke ye bere so ɛkɔso hwɛ deɛ ɛna awurade adi media me say last week ya boss FM news na wɔfa kopi apia ka Christopher bi yɛ ko twitwa wɔ mu ti ɛwɔ poano na Ghana ni bi kura ka ho and can't see me can't say chem. Because for the job I want to say can na me chem peti na dia nse fa.
Could you grow baby a minim?
Aha na mra.
Boss.
Na aha ko na me nse nkom de bi na ye wu akọ. Anya ma ba sesa na me say ya.
I'm waiting mama can.
You know, Revelation chapter 2 verse 8 to 11 na kasapa minus of the persecuted church. That is yes asafo na Christ happen. Ye ja ya kan edo.
Yes.
Ana asafo bi so no ma yenam otayim. It is a wood tie me. Na Christ awa fan nti wukunu mpa wasama. Aya normal.
Yeah, normal. Commission.
Ejuma wuwom o ma sama o kwan se kwa so ko si ada ntirese ja nyame som.
Yes.
Ko so kura ugidiem.
Yeah.
E kesofo bi huna amane pa.
Papa.
Obu ono mo ye sofo. De ne sofo pani di ni namu no.
Namu no.
Wa bono ata abra ni su.
Kashirawo.
Wo pagya ne nsa na de twede ase na motu no waka ne nsa na gunu so enzu etina sa persecution na wonamu no yes say dinikokodu owum
Yes.
dinikokodu owum ni tere say me na me ye no kwafo no nti so me mu kopem even the death point ebra we are saying na say they will even kill you for your faith.
Okay.
Asma make say okoto 70 great Christian na wo hwe the Christ for fam saa woman mi retu ni de owo ye na boso me kra mai ya bati ni kokuru ya me ma me kra ka say say na not the issue is emperor na nti ase say mo Christopher mo so na mo si mo di communion ma se say mo say me di Yesu ho na no ni mo ja na mo ya carnival
Vampires.
mo ya vampire so vampire nso ye mpane nchichiri kuru
The say you kuro. Tinya infantana.
no metu onti ase say Yesu ye nipa na mo so mi se nyame na mi se mi ye nipa na mi se mo nso mi amo se mo nso
me.
Oh, so mo nso me dia na mo se mi be se Yesu dia na mo be tepa nti no sa issue no a course no a course for 300 years sa era no mu na Apostle Paul ye charity
Okay.
sa era no mu na Peter it is believed say ye born a saint and you shoppen
Okay.
sa era no nyama bebere course me anka wasa yes ye no nti we are seeing the church age.
The church age still.
The Christopher bi meja wo makane do.
Yeah, it is not what.
Obi na motayim.
Okay.
Ya brezu.
Pepe haneko.
Ana oduru Pergamum.
Ntoso mi ensa no.
You find the indulged church. You can indulge that. Obi awama enyeme bi emfra be wura
ni.
Ya sha eno so say the Jesus kan.
Okay.
Na Pergamum asafumbo for the church come and say. Say na di okura afna no femi na anam no se. Afna no femi na anam church say kan enim twa, etiri twa. Okay. Minim dia wote so Yesu ka so no minim dia wote o minim dia wote the start ya Yesu
okay
or the throne of Satan or the seat of Satan
all right nenitia
na wukura midin
the story would be Yesu din
na wa ampa mi gidi
okay
and now we could dance ni no ka fa antepa wo mu no ho de obonsam tie na je say during the persecution era, you did not deny me.
All right.
One pame. Now so you are who some kakra. Now the church now, and you need to have for that from so on. Not just say Pentecostal Christian a mixture of good and bad.
Okay.
It is a one as a Namia Mount Yasa when you may be Munawan Tiasia, Ubi Befu. But some amount Tiasia say, I saw it be any Yasia to Sam no Cassie, Nipa Bonfuni.
My mama.
Obi Club a Peba, sorry.
Anything no
Some
bad.
for the Pena one put the anchor fine.
We should buy a
Will be
book.
deemed for Bonnie Anchor.
Sako.
Now, small in some cacra. One come over once in same.
The doors like
Okay. So when you pay Mua, who crowd Billiam in Chile Chile.
Okay.
The Ochera Balak on Tuesday are messing to the winning number of Mama Meba. Now, find a Balak.
Alright.
Find Billiam. Billiam, you deep for truffle.
Alright.
Unkahon, sorry, you. Numbers chapter 22, go his house. Billiam Moon Crahon, Papa.
G for truffle.
Or deep for truffle. Anna or he be found a Balak.
Okay.
You could in the Muab.
Well.
Just a lot of things.
Alright.
Anna saw Billiam a Balak. What did the Israel for Aya Jericho New Krobia?
Not okay.
There be a Jericho. What did the Israel for Aya Akasidi?
Yeah, okay.
I don't know who is Israel for Kikaba Military. No, so.
Alright.
No, of course, Sophia is sending Billiam in Hokocachon. Or maybe from Mizrimaba.
Yes.
Now, some mine. One daughter to them, one. No one who are dead.
Kenny.
Will be on drinking for almost.
Okay.
Mr. Bra. Not that do me on my man.
Okay.
Sure. Boss. Somewhere ya Balak no smile yen. And now some get one make you. Sao anyway all smile or smile. Nim penny for.
Okay.
And you may for papi.
No quote.
Our mukesi cat.
Alright.
I want dear. I don't want to pay Sophia I think Billiam. Na Billiam so we are fine kids na so dem mo ntwa neba
Odi for me ho adwuma.
We na yan adwuma. Nti odi for yan adwuma. Na Nyankopon no tai Israel for akino. Eyi ni wadi bi sa ni say nkrofo no aba wo mo say be ye wo mo say no so wo mo say o man bi free there ba mizima ba me medum wo mo no to hwe yi. Ya o ma sa o man no. Ya no me wo mo.
Alright.
Me pa to ti story ni ye for so o man we. Ya no me wo.
Okay.
Ya nya wo mbone. Wo me ya me man.
Okay.
Dijai. Now, secretly, you have to review how secret way of revelation.
Alright.
What kind numbers now on Chilemu? Say secretly, or do you furnish a camera or Hina de Abra no no? A news.
Yaman Coca.
It's not another. No.
Obedum you.
Oh, in the Medumina or Ba. Or ba or you know
Balako.
Not to share Grafon my because what kind numbers are? Oh, but just about the moment be one more names there. But be what now when no Grafo my ya. You know, I'm not confident that the moment I wish I was not a yamia. Me be a man who has to do clamano and yamia. Me would have been name more plan. Plan I was saying, we can't face these people with wrath.
Okay.
With riot. Yes, mean fat kiki and we mention to the abandoned say. Ma emaya na owo o man na wo mo ho fe
Wa boho no.
Wo mo form no. No mo yi wo mo ho.
Okay.
Sisanta de amfra. Na mo mo ho fe sisanta de amfra. No wo mo enko fa Israel because Israel for no wo mo ya kire wo mo say wo mo koya ahoho nti wo mo respect ahoho. Nti wo mo de wo mo respect ahoho pa. Wo mo ko fa fi mu a die wo mo nya menu a yintimi mu wo mo etia ne bone. Nti wo mo ya bone a wo mo pa nya menu si kiri ye eye bi bi pa ejaman ane abosonsom na emaba wa no kwa ni be ma de nya to nya sure ba bi demu ade oba de be ka jini bia oba ye on tia sa kan first chapter 11 obo wi se Solomon ne jini ni ku na kuma mo ko so na abosom nti mo ya bo ma ya no they were taught by their king and the false prophet and wo mo ba Israel so mo ba no wo mo do wo mo be fra Israel for Israel for Benjamin afena na me buafu nti anya Billiam kan okum wo mo nya me no okum nipa 23,000 of Israel were dead. They were killed. Some method way and a Satan, the church of Pergamum, Satan used to
okay.
Also for 300 years. But some Roman empress so yeah, you are not on to defeat Christosum. It's AD 312. Emperor be by a friend Constantine.
Okay.
That emperor no. Also die. saa mpasa ne brɛs na Roman kuro no Italy no na sɛ ebi bi pɛ sɛ kuro ni bi pɛ sɛ wɔn te wɔn ho fi n'aban mu te sɛ bi a nka Asante region na ebi a mɛmfa ne sɛ bi a ɛkwaefoɔ pɛ sɛ wɔn te wɔn ho ɛna ɔhene no ɔboa no nso ɔbɛkɔ ntɔkwa nti ntɔkwa no mu no ɔdaayɛ ɛna ɔso daayɛ sɛ sign of a cross on say Christ Yesu e born asenia ye kunu asenia so asenia so ayɛ sɛ plan daayɛ mu no hu sɛ eja draw cross ɛna ya kyerɛ aseɛ sɛ with this sign you shall conquer nti ade akyi no yi daayɛ no kyerɛ na kɔnfoɔ o so no no so ra the thank God oyi kyerɛ na kɔnfoɔ no so saa sign we de ye Christofoɔ na mo persecute wɔn no sign wɔn mi sign no ɛso na ye ku no na with this you shall conquer no kyerɛ sɛ ɛm sɛ ɔde wɔn ho bɔ wɔn mu a decision ebeteki ɛbɛyɛ yie ɛna ɔde saa sign no shield na wɔn de kɔnto ɔyɛ tekena kan ne ha shield no ɔde sign of the cross egu so de wɔn akyam no wɔn kɔnto kɔ no mu di nkunu na Constantine who is a Christopher or the no one. Now, Constantine is Christian. Okay. Or a business. It is not typology on the drama Balak. Okay. And not Biliam. A Balak. Anna, now come for the drama Biliam. And he reading to Conan or Sambra, Sabian and a Roman Emperor. Roman Empire in the Ruby. I don't know Sambra said, a man you quick Christopher. Yanko mata na mekra na mehuse wo bi ni papa ana onu no bewura kristosun obeye odi no bewura aso ni no on sakra nti odi no bewura aso ni mu no ana na kwan ofa so som na bosom no sa afia se odi sa nyoma ni wura kristosun mu ebi ni se wo mo wo busu me fan tamus na men kan say wo mo kwan a wo fa so som wo ma busun bi abusun bi oba ene ne baba ma kwan wo fa so som ne awia busun no na fa say December 25th asede sa kwan wo fa so som busun sign of the cross no na the mass ne sa ne ma ne nyina ya busun som na mo ba no mo sa kwan wo fa so som busun ene odi be wura kristo som e da fa wo ye Roman citizen na opeso o ma opposition o ka so se bewura so ni na o bewura so ni ya ma opposition no ba be be bishop and a cardinal some for when na so hunamufo they don't know anything about Jesus Christ they be Christos all of them be interfere Christos mo dani abosun so okay dani yes so ni e no dia o ti mi so so ni inside o ka say joy say dia mu ye na so kese sọfún sẹ na wọn mú wọn sẹm ẹni sẹ wọn máa ma Biliam sẹbi Biliam ní Balak yẹ Israel no the same thing ẹni wọn máa gbẹmọ abosonson fún nkyerẹsẹ ní nneẹma náà ẹkọ so Christianity yẹ pẹ̀yì soso nti o de ba yẹ pẹ̀yì so a sama the same thing is going on o ṣe kanya ẹnẹ tètè ní yẹ nananum kọ ebisa ẹnẹ yìí de ekisofo bi kọ ebisa wọ asọfo na o ṣe di asọfo bi ni mo yẹ esira o bẹ jẹ ni sẹ jẹne bidie moko ẹnna mi kan esi jollof akwankyerẹ abẹ wọn yẹ anwa akwankyerẹ ọyẹrẹ akwankyerẹ ẹmu akwankyerẹ jẹne akwankyerẹ ntoos akwankyerẹ moko akwankyerẹ ntuna akwankyerẹ jollof wọn yẹ no wọn ayẹ jollof ayẹ si ni ntunam ẹnna kristoso ntina na o ṣe kristoso na o ṣe tv so adi ebi agorɔ sɔfo bi kuro gu nsa wọn asɔre dɛ adayɛ old testament no yɛ paul aidesu ebi mu paul ma bosom ɛma bosom no ate yɛde yɛ gu nsa no ama nyame ate na sɔfo fa coke sprite onusɛ ɔfa guinness a ne ho bɛkyɛ no ɔfa coke ne spa na kristofo yɛ funny to understand sɛ ɔfa sɛ na ɔmu si gyina ɔnyɛ sidi mu ɔgu nsa ho ɔgu nsa ɛnɛ ɔsɛ miyi apayɛ ɛwɔ yɛ sidi mu deɛ ɔyɛ me ne tiri so miyi ɔgu nsa sɛdeɛ kane no obi bɔne a ɔntumi mfa nkyɛ no kɔ bosom so kɔ bɔ ne dua no ɛnɛ na ɛkɔ sɛ ɔsɛ ɔdɛm ɔne obi anya asɛ no wakɔ asɔre yɛ bɛbɔ mpa yɛ akɔ ɔmaa me fie na wɔ sɔsɛlɛ gyina onipa bi a ɔyɛ wɔ so wɔyɛ sidi mu na maa no honhom ne ba wɔyɛ sidi mu onipa bi a ɔyɛ me ne maame ante ama ne maame ho ahwan wɔyɛ sidi mu ɔsoro gya ɔsoro caterpillar wɔyɛ sidi mu ɔsoro buffalo ɔsoro rocket yɛ ada agorɔ sɛ de yɛbɔ na abosonsom no yɛbɔ nipa dua no ɛnyɛ saa na ɛkɔ so nso hwɛ asese a the church is mixed up with saa nneɛma no ɛno nso nkyerɛ sɛ kristosom nyɛ ɛde maame nsa nwidi ayidi nkyɛ ɛwɔ revelation hɔ na ɔsɛ ɔsɛ me wa ho sam so woni pe wo o kɔ William church do atira balak so ntu jama sentu dia no ni na ma kuma ma bo so mo adwama o man ni yes na me nyame ebufu e ba won so nti enne ye wonyo me bi Christopher asofo ni bia ya ma nyame ebufu na wo di ono no ka cha ye se bompa ma wo tamfo no wa ko gina ni na wo ka cha ni se onku tamfo mo ntu ye so sam pa no ha ni ti o de answer eno na kan kira mo wa answer ma ho
ha ni ti sam pa ye
making ai do me o testament on person say chimana enya na Bible say ye ma oba anya entinase Bible say me ma oba ayen entinase eya no clear our Exodus and it is recorded yemla New Testament tell me be you for the Yesu hu no okun no when they say obetimi ama me one quotation in the New Testament asmafo no ana Yesu si obi okura honhomone Yesu bo ni tio
twa so agrada ba hwi ni tirim ku
Yesu si ama ni bi na man no di mu ewura no ama de bo betwika no
timi kra nkan
Yesu sma man no asa ni evangelist
yes
otutu di mo no mo so dia na mu yi dia na mo ya na sare dem now owie na say Sana uwa wana wokwe Nikolai fonchile chimu. Enti sasawaje anya sa meba osonto na mede manual fana wako. Let's say opasa so answer.
Yes.
So sha issue na Yesu nim se otese
ebeye.
Ebe wutie mu ye nyame difo. Ghana your problem ni say so obi di akwanche bi bana efa na obi adi. Anya ana papa me wana my wife friend no to go school.
Yes.
Of no so for
mama ye chawe bi obi a
so for my ya ni panel tia say ade both obi di tikenu ana na mpe na say mempa sa wo
ni e school
o ma ka de make bi ni panel say da na both obi di tikenu na say both obi no di tikenu ai tikenu na ya me mra ni din baako ana me de be ka say me boa me ho akọ FMTT oh yeah Adebia o so si Nikolai for church na now one obi dia tin dia be shim na Ghana for say we tie na Ghana for your problem Ghana for new marketing marketing strategy ni say some ya sample me person kuma fi ho bi etie ni a me pe obi o popular ti say dey win tumi otufo anana nado na ma kan ho asem ya ntu be ti we fi dia be to boss
anasa
na me dia gidi anana inti me person me ma o ti ase say wọ́n mú ẹ̀yẹ pẹ̀lú ọmọ afáàfin ní abẹ́tún náà máa súnmọ́ yẹ mìhìrì ẹ̀yẹ marketing strategy. wọ́n mú pẹ̀sẹ̀ mú hu sẹ̀ wọ́n mú wọ́n system ni. wọ́n sọ nípa bí a ọ̀n ti sọ ọ̀kan àsọ̀m ní kúrọ̀ náà ó ń pẹ̀sẹ̀ ọbẹ̀ tiẹ̀. ní tiẹ̀ kọ́ sẹ́ wọ́n fi ó wọ̀ haw ó haw àwọn àni sẹ́ wọ́n máa bílíọ̀mù nkyẹrẹkyẹrẹ area. eti sẹ wọ́n ṣe church age náà ó sọ dẹ̀ mí kìnyẹ ẹ̀ẹ́kọ́ nyàmú yẹ ọdún náà Sunday yẹ bẹ́ tó wá so from
yekutu abosoma be senyami fi
ya be ko taitira homa ne atwa so na ya hwe baby a me person ye hunu sesi a stage a church ngum ne ye hwede eba
okay
ene ya babu ama wonu Nyankopon tema Nyankopon ayeka be hwe nti asema me person me ka cho ne se Christosom enya sombone Christosom anya de bone aya the satanic strategy ana opeso oyama Christosom bo nipa oyama nipa hu se okwa asokran for so but because no ot say upon sign na we continue not there are faithful men of God ewum do nukra
yes
if there are still men of God that they fear God you are so for God they fear sin you were Christian for God they fear Jehovah they fear Yeshua HaMashiach they fear Jesus ahon kwakwa say wo ma wo ni Christian nam and the person now say what we say means you can become one of them open so and we bet my say one more can ya me say na omo me dey say me dey down the pastor John
asole